teachers and students. This is Phil and Ephraim coming to you from Bulldog Bites HQ. Today we'll be creating a tutorial on how to find ordered pairs from the solution set of a linear equation. Hope this helps.
So we're going to be doing number 1 here, and like most students, you don't want to do all the work to find the ordered pairs, so they invented this thing called a calculator. So to find the points on the calculator, you're going to go to y equals here, and you're going to plug in your equation. So we have y equals 2x, so we're going to plug in a 2x. Then you're going to click second and graph. This will take you to a table which will show you all the ordered pairs of the graph. So we have -3, -6, -2, -4, all the points. And we're going to take these points and we're going to plot them on the graph. So we have -3, we're going to go down to -6. We have -2, we're going to go to -4, -1, -2, 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 4, and 3, 6. After that, we'll take our ruler and we're just going to draw a nice even line which will finish the graph. Draw your arrows, and that's it.
That about wraps up today's session. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you are having any issues with your subject, topic, or homework, please fill out a request ticket in the link of our description, and we will be happy to make a custom YouTube video. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day.